International recording superstar Rihanna's dad Ronald Fenty dies at age 70. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Rihanna's father, Ronald Fenty, has reportedly died at age 70. Fenty reportedly died this morning in Los Angeles. News of Fenty's passing was first shared by a local media radio station in Barbados. A cause of death was not immediately known, only that he died after a brief illness. Members of his family are reportedly gathering in California to honor Fenty's life. Rihanna and her father had a rocky relationship following his divorce from her mother and his reported struggles with alcohol. Representative for Rihanna did not immediately respond to reporters' requests for a comment. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.